up with the one. Today video we are going to be styling vintage watch jeans in a nice way. I can't wait to show you. They're gonna be looking really cool, and I like the jeans as well. The jeans is waiting for me to show you guys how cool it's gonna look on me. And if you like the way it's gonna look, you need to style them because you're gonna looking really cool and people will give you a compliment, because I don't want to keep that fashion sense idea to myself. I don't want to be getting that compliment on my home. I want you guys to get that compliment because you guys deserve it. Because your happiness is my joy. When you're happy, I'm cool. And if you start the same way I'm going to start mine, they will give you a compliment. And you're going to get that kind of joy inside you when someone give you a compliment because you deserve it. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's go. The way the vintage watch jeans look, I quite like it. And with the bomber jacket, very cool, very stylish as well. You have to pull t-shirt underneath as well, because when you pull them up, you will make the jeans look more cool, more stylish as well. And chunky sole loafers, white one, that's what I put on. And you need to do the same thing as well. Or if you don't have white, you can put black or blue on, because it will complement the bomber jacket as well to look cool together with the vintage jeans as well. I like these jeans, honestly, very stylish, very cool as well. The white, the vibe, and the vintage vibe. Cool. Honestly, I like these. This is really cool. I tell you, I don't want to keep this fashion sense idea to myself. I want you guys to go on a date, dinner, abroad, any event. This outfit will take you there. If you want to even more make it better, you close it. You close it in a different vibe. If you don't fancy closing, that's it. I showed you before. Now we are closing it to give you a little bit more vibe, more stylish look as well. I like it. This is really cool. Honestly, look, does it not look cool? It look cool, it looks smart. You might think, skinny jeans I can't put on. You haven't tried it yet. But there's a different vibe for skinny jeans, baggy jeans, straight. But this one is amazing. It looks smart. It's not that skinny. It's not kind of too tight. And the jeans is elastic as well. So you can maneuver, you can move, you can do all kind of stuff. Look, this is really cool. I'm feeling kind of comfortable right now because the outfit is kind of smart for me, cool, elegant as well. Honestly, this is really cool. I like the vibe. You know when you know you're cool, this is amazing. You can do all kind of stuff. Clean your shoe, press the jeans with the iron, your jacket as well, press them with the iron. The leather side, don't press them with the iron. Just leave it like that. Amazing. Adjust your hair as well. If your hair need kind of cut, trims or any kind of things you want to do to your hair, do so. Make your hair fresh, spray, jelly, do all kind of amazing stuff, because when you do all those things, everything's gonna look really cool, really stylish as well. You see the way I'm looking right now, I quite like it. And if you style it the same way I'm styling mine, you're gonna be amazing, and people will know you have great fashion sense. And people, they will compliment you. People, they will kind of want to speak to you because they can tell you look great, you look stylish. The way you made the jeans look, me too, I'm quite happy as well. When I'm checking myself, I'm looking, does it look cool or not? Yes, it does look cool. Amazing. And if I step out like this, I will get a compliment. Honestly, let me put my sunglasses on. Let's see how it's gonna look. You know, guys, I love my sunglasses because the sunglasses sometimes they give you that kind of vibe. Like, you don't know you're gonna get until you put it on. And when you put them on, you're very happy. You're satisfied with the vibe as well. Look, this is looking really cool. Does it not look cool? It does. I like it. How smart everything. Look at me. My bracelets, my ring, my wristwatch, sunglasses, necklace. Adjust your hair. You'll be amazing. Honestly, clean your shoe as well. Chunky sole loafers, I put them on. If you don't have chunky sole loafers, if you have trainers, you can put trainers on as well. It's really stylish as well. I like the vibe. Try so. You're gonna be amazed. Honestly, I'm telling you, if you step up, people, they will give you a compliment because people will know you look cool, you have good fashion sense, and they will be looking like, that guy is cool. If they have that confidence enough, they will speak it to you, they will talk to you, they will give you that compliment. But if they don't, they will be smiling at you from the far. That's another way they can give you the compliment that you deserve, because they don't get that boldness enough to talk to you or to give you that compliment, but they can still give you a compliment in a smiling way because you deserve it. You see the way I'm looking right now, does it not look cool? What about if you style them the same way I'm styling mine? How are you gonna look when you check yourself in the mirror? You're gonna be amazing because the bomber jacket is gonna make you even looking really cool. The vintage jeans is amazing. I quite like it. I'm happy. You know when you're happy? This is it. My wristwatch, my bracelet, my necklace, my my ring, everything just complement together, make everything look cool, more stylish as well. I like these. Honestly, I'm happy as well. Look, the remote even got the same vibe. Look, does it not look cool? Look, it's amazing together. Me too, I quite like the color vibe. Look, this is really cool. Look, the fashion sense will go from here is another level. And if you want to test my fashion sense idea, start these the same way I'm styling mine and step out. People will give you compliment 100%, and people will be smart. You trust me. You want to go on a date, dinner, brunch, any event, style them like this, then you're gonna come back and drop a comment. Then you're gonna be happy. So my coolest, my lovely people, second half is amazing. You see the way we made the jeans look. I like the vibe as well. The vibe is kind of cool, stylish as well. The vintage jeans give me that kind of coolest vibe. You see the way we make it look. You can make it look cool. You see the color combination. You see how it look more stylish, more fresh vibe as well. Honestly, this is really cool, really stylish. Don't forget your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch. It will complement everything as well. Your necklace, it will make it look more stylish, cool as well. Your shoe as well, clean your shoe. The white shoe I put on the Sharkcoolstyles logos, amazing. You need to try the same thing as well. If you don't have the Sharkcoolstyles logos, you can put any trainer on white one, cool as well. Amazing, 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 amazing vintage jeans as well. Very cool. The vibe as well, the white side as well. And honestly, this is the antique vibe as well. The color, just cool. Everything just amazing, cool together with the green, with the lime. Amazing. I'm quite happy. Honestly, you know when you know you're cool. This vibe is giving you that kind of joy, like kind of when people see you, they will be happy. They will be kind of cool. The way the outfit look on you, more stylish, vibrant as well, chill. And people will know you have a great fashion sense as well. I don't know why did I not like kind of get compliment. You will be thinking like, why did I not get compliment? You know why? Because people doesn't like kind of vibe. They not kind of cool with the vibe, the outfit as well. And this is amazing. If I step out like this, people will give me compliment, honestly, because I know this is amazing on me. This is really cool, and I want you to look cool. Your happiness is my joy. Because if you step out, people see you, they will look like that guy is cool, he's amazing, and they will give you compliment, and you're gonna be happy. And that's my joy, because your happiness is my joy. When left, right, then give you compliment, you're gonna be looking like, oh, I'm happy. You're gonna be feeling cool, because it happened to me many times. When people give me compliment, I just feel so kind of, I'm not expecting it. Then when they give it to me, I'm quite happy. The joy that I get from my soul, it's kind of happy mindset, and I'm quite happy to pass my fashion sense idea to you, because I want you guys to look cool. Honestly, don't forget, you need to clean your shoe. It's very important as well. Adjust your hair, do your wristwatch. You're gonna be cool. Do all kind of nice clean stuff, jelly, braided, curtsy, do all kind of amazing stuff to your hair, because you're gonna looking really cool. You will make the jeans look more stylish as well, more fresh. If someone have the same jeans as well, but the way I'm styling right now, people will compliment me more than the other, because they will think like, oh, that guy is look cool. They might not even think we're wearing the same jeans as well, because the way I make it look, I make it looking more kind of vibe, more stylish, cool as well, because I like it. Honestly, this is amazing. This is really cool. You know when you know you're cool, you're checking yourself again and again, like, this is really cool. The vibe is amazing. Very cool, honestly. Let me give you guys 360 to see how cool it is, so you know how the fashion sense will go from here. Is amazing, another level. Honestly, if someone see me right now, they will give you a compliment. On YouTube, if you style them the same way I'm styling mine, you see the color, you see the way I put them together, do the same thing. Honestly, they will give you a compliment, and you're gonna come back for more, because if you then give you a compliment, you're gonna be happy. Then there's another thing. Going to come, another fashion sense idea, you're going to be taking away, and again when you step out, they're going to be complimenting you again. So it's going to be like cycle. It's going to be coming back for more, because I want you to be happy. I want you to go on a date, dinner, brunch, any events you want to go. I want you to happy. When you get there, I want you to get that compliment. I want people to like kind of feel your presence. They will feel your presence like you're there, because if I enter anywhere like this, they will feel my presence. Trust me. And again, don't forget your roll on your perfume. You need to put them on, because it matters a lot as well. because it will complement everything. The one you can afford, that's the one you have to put them on, because if you pull the one you can afford them, you're still gonna smell nice. It's gonna be amazing as well. The sunglasses, don't forget, put them on. You see how this one look cool on me? Amazing. Yours is gonna look really cool on you too as well. Don't worry, put them on. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be expensive. The one you can afford, put them on. You're gonna be amazing. I like this. Honestly, I'm checking myself. I'm looking like this is really cool. This is amazing. Honestly, this is what is amazing. I quite like it. Honestly, I just want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to be cool. I want people to give you guys compliment. Look, the way I'm looking right now, I'm quite happy with myself. When I check myself in the mirror, me too, I'm quite excited the way I'm looking. What about you? If you style them the same way I'm styling, and if you step out, you're gonna be getting lots of compliments. So my coolest people, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. It's amazing. The way we make the vintages look amazing. I like the vintage look. The way the jeans look, very stylish as well. And we put turtleneck and armless jacket on, very stylish, cool. We put bracelets, ring, wristwatch, necklace on to give that kind of vintage vibe, because the jeans kind of vintage vibe as well. So we make it look cool together. I quite like the vibe. Honestly, this is really cool, cozy as well, stylish. The color kind of talk to me in a nice way, chill vibe as well. I can go anywhere and people will give me compliment. You too, they will give you compliment. You know why? Because the way I pull them together, if you do the same thing, they will give you compliment, because they know you have great fashion sense. You can tell how cool I am right now. What about if you try the same thing and step out? You're gonna get compliment, and people will smile at you. They will cool with you. They will just stare at you like, and that guy is cool. And if they have that confidence enough, they will just come to you and just speak to you because you deserve it. And if they don't, they will smile at you. That's another way they give you that compliment, because you deserve it. Honestly, I like this vibe. You know, when you know you're cool, this jeans is a vibe as well. We can keep going. It will keep looking more interesting, more stylish, more cool, street vibe as well. The tips, I quite like it. And the Sharkcoolstyles logos complement the jeans as well. It makes it look more stylish, more cool as well. And cozy. I'm keeping kind of cozy, stylish at the same time, for the turtleneck under and the jacket, armlet jacket as well, kind of make everything look cool. Vintage vibe, coolest as well. Don't forget to press your jeans as well, in case your jeans kind of rough, it doesn't clean, it doesn't smooth, it creeps. So you press them with the iron, because it will give you that kind of clean vibe as well. And again, put your roll on, your perfume, the one you can afford, put them on, because it will make you look more kind of stylish and fresh, nice as well. And people will know you clean. Trust me, because they will tell you, because people know when you clean. Because, and again, your outfit speaks to them when you don't even know. You don't know at all. From far away, people will be looking at you. They will be staring at you, because the way you stand out, they can tell, because your outfit speak, and they will come closer to you and they will give you compliment, because you deserve it. Look, this is amazing on me. I like it. Honestly, I'm quite happy the way he looked. The first one, amazing. The second one, very cool as well. I'm checking this one. Does it look cool? Amazing too. The third one, very stylish as well. So let's put sunglasses on. Let's see how they're gonna look. Are they gonna look really cool together? Let me try. That's it. You see how cool it is. The turtleneck vibe with these sunglasses is amazing. I like it. Honestly, you know when you know you're cool. This outfit is amazing. I like the vintage jeans, amazing. I like the way he made the outfit look. The first one is amazing. The second one, cool. The third one, very stylish as well. I can go anywhere like this and you're going to be looking really cool. And again, if you don't have the vintage jeans as well, the jeans you have in your wardrobe, you can see style them like this. You have turtleneck, you have armlet jacket, put them on. You have trainers, put them on. Even though you don't have Sharkcoolstyles logo, you have any trainers, put them on, because you're going to be amazing. Your wristwatch, your bracelet, your necklace, your sunglasses, put them on, because you're going to be looking really cool as well. I want you to look cool. I want you to go on a date, dinner, brunch, any event. I want you to go. I want people to give you compliment. When you get there, I want people to notice you. I want people to give you an amazing compliment, because your happiness is my joy. I'm cool. The first one is amazing. The second one, the third one. Which one do you think it look cool? Go to the comment section, drop it, and I'll be glad as well, because you're my people and I'm your people. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family. family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, coolest, beautiful people another day. Take care.